Welcome to the installation video of the 4WT-MD Maxx Drawer. Before we begin, you will need the following tools: a power drill with a number 2 Phillips bit and a 3/32 inch bit, a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, bubble level, tape measure, and a pencil. In your box, you'll find the following parts: a Maxx drawer, dividers, divider clips, number 8 by 5/8 inch wood screws, number 6 by 1/2 inch panhead screws, bloom slides, bloom release triggers, rear bloom brackets, and a figure 8 screw pack. First, remove your existing drawer and place face down. Use your pencil and trace along the bottom 2 corners. Remove your drawer front. Those markings will serve as a guide when attaching the existing drawer front to the new Maxx drawer. Take the Maxx drawer and flip it over. Place the left and right bloom triggers flush against the front and side walls of the drawer box. Mark inside the trigger hole locations. Pre-drill the holes. Secure using the number 6 by 1/2 inch panhead screws. Insert the large ends of the figure 8 brackets into the space at the front of the drawer box. Align over the pre-drilled holes and secure using the screws that come inside the figure 8 screw pack. Next, position the Maxx drawer within the 90-degree pencil marks on the drawer front. Make a mark through the figure 8 brackets. It is recommended that you put a piece of tape on the tip of the drill bit as you position it alongside the drawer front. The tape will act as a guide to help prevent you from pre-drilling all the way through the drawer front. Now pre-drill the holes. Next, reposition the Maxx drawer and secure using the screws provided in the figure 8 pack. Set the slide 1/8 inch back from the edge of the face frame. Mark the front 2 holes. Once that is complete, remove the slide and add the rear bloom brackets into the back slot of the slide. Place the slide set inside the cabinet. It may be helpful to use a clamp or have someone assist in holding the slide in place. Make sure the slide is level and parallel with the side wall of the cabinet. Extend the rear bracket so it is flush with the back wall of the cabinet. Mark a hole location in one of the top row corners and one in the bottom row corners. Pre-drill all your marks using your 3/32 inch bit. Attach the rear bracket to the back cabinet wall using the number 8 by 5/8 inch wood screws. Connect the back of the slide to the rear bracket and position the front over the pre-drilled holes in the face frame. Secure using the number 6 by 1/2 inch screws. Repeat on the other side. Slide the drawer onto the slides and engage the triggers underneath. You will hear a click sound when the drawer box is fully engaged. Cycle the unit. Add the divider clips and dividers. Your installation is now complete. Enjoy your product for years to come.